Hi friends, welcome to the today's video. So today we will solve for the value of t, and the statement is t factorial equals to 6 factorial into 7 factorial. We have to find out the value of t. As we have to find out the value of t, in the given statement there is factorials. So for this I will explain you about what the factorial is. Factorial, let there is a number n, then its factorial will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 and so on, 3 into 2 into 1. A factorial is a number of the multiple of the number in decreasing order till 1. Okay, for example, 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And 2 factorial is 2 into 1. And 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So in this way we will find out the factorials. Okay. Now let's solve for the value of t. Here we have t factorial equals to 6 factorial into 7 factorial. So we can write 6 as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and we can write 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now here we can break 6. We can write 6 as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. 3 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Very good. And now here we can join. We know 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8. So we can write 3 3s are 9 into 10 into 8. And here we can 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here it becomes 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now here from the definition of factorial, what is factorial? Factorial is the multiplication of number in decreasing order till 1. Okay. The multiplication 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 to 1. So it becomes t factorial equals to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it will become t factorial equals to, so by the definition of factorial we can find out it is 10 factorial. Okay. Now comparing both sides. We will get t equals to 10. So here this is our answer. T equals to 10 is our answer. Now we have to verify it whether it is a right answer or not, whether it satisfied our given condition or not. So let's start verify. Verify, here we will write the statement given t factorial equals to 6 factorial into 7 factorial. So from here we get t equals to 10, which is our answer. So we'll put the value of t. 10 factorial equals to 6 factorial into 7 factorial. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So by the definition of factorial we will write t 10 factorial as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, here we have 6 factorial into 7 factorial. So here we cut 7 factorial and 7 factorial. Here it will remain 10 into 9 into 8 equals to 6 factorial. So here 10 into 9 into 8 equals to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which will become 10 into 9 into 8 equals to 3 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which again will become 10, 5 2 is 10, 3 3 is 9, and 4 2 is 8 into 1, 10 into 9 into 8. Okay, so it will be, so here 10 into 9 into 8, 10 will cancel out, 10, 8 will be 8 and 9 will be 9. So LHS equals to RHS. So hence it's verified. So T equals to 10 is our correct answer. Thanks for watching, guys.